Okay. Hi everybody. This is Mr. Roche. We're here to talk about making a portfolio site where we're going to put our portfolio work from time to time. And in this kind of class, we can do it with Google Sites. Okay. So if you go to your St. Mark's School account and you click on this here, you should be able to find a thing for Google Sites. So I want this in your St. Mark's, under your St. Mark's address so we can find it. And if you have to, you can go into your Gmail and look at it there. That's fine. It should pop up. Okay. If it doesn't pop up, you can go down to the bottom where it says like more sites from Google Marketplace or something like that. Okay. It looks like to me it's popping you up in sort of older Google sites. So I don't know what the St. Mark's thing is set up, but what we're gonna do is we're going to create a thing, and let's try to new sites because I think it's better and easier and things like that. Okay. And what's going to happen is it's going to make you this site. Okay. So we're going to call this like Java 1 portfolio work or portfolio. Okay. That's good. And you can change this to Java portfolio. Okay. And you can actually pick a theme here. Um, they have others, I think, things like that, but I'll go with this. I kind of like that. Um, and that's a little big for me, so I might change like this. Um, or by, Mr. Okay, I didn't spell it right. Portfolio work by Mr. Rich, for example, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to publish this. So what you want to do is you want to publish this, and you can run this, like basically it needs to be anybody at St. Mark's Schools should see it. So if I want to be able to see it, okay? So that's good. Um, that's particularly good, okay? So that's good. You can also list specific people like your mom or something like that. But let's see anybody at St. Mark's can see it, okay? And that's very good. Okay. So we publish that, right? And we can do other work to it as well. Okay, so maybe one of the things I want to do is I want to um, change the photo because it's like weird and woody and stuff. So I might upload an image. Let me see, I have this, which I got from the web. And something like that's fine. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is this is like our kind of our home page, right? I'm going to insert another page here. So what we want to do is keep a page for each thing we're going to kind of put in here. What I need like a Miracle of Java page, right? Something like that. Okay. I'm going to go like this. Go back to this because it's so big, right? But what's nice is it puts buttons on your pages, so it keeps track of that. Okay. And then I may change the background again to what did I do? I took a copy of or a screenshot of something from the portfolio. I mean the handout I just gave out. Okay, and then what I want to do is on this we want to have some kind of reflection here. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to Insert, and I might make a layout like this in this case. Okay, so what I'd like here is your uploaded like sound file or a picture or something like that. Okay. And then over here, what I'd like is some kind of reflection. Okay. And what I'd like to know are like the following things. Here, I'll go get them because I wrote them in another document here. Hang on one sec. What I wanted to do was you're going to have your song, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is explain what we did for the song, who you worked with, what you were doing. You would explain what you learned. Okay. Something you found was interesting. And then I guess, other comments that you have. Okay. We're going to make a big one. Um, Okay. And what we'll do is we'll keep this together for all these things that are going to be in the portfolio. Okay. So Miracle of Java is sort of one thing we need, and we'll start off with that. Okay. So thanks. That's what we need for Google Sites. So for homework, I want to see like a link to this Google Site thing. So if you publish it, I think you get a link here. Let me see. So if you just go here, I think this is it. I think this will work like this. And I think you just give me that link right here, and that will get. Okay, I want to get to the home page. Give me the one to the home page, and then we can take it from there. Okay. Yep. This looks good. Right. And we will see you later.